Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and English language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is difference between 16 and 32-bit counter in Mitsubishi PLC, and this is a lecture number 18. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video if you like this video. The difference between 16-bit and 32-bit counter is counting range. Okay, this is a main difference. 16-bit counter has its own range, and 32-bit counter has its own range. Okay, 16-bit counter range is 32,767 because it has 16-bit operational range. Maximum 16-bit data range is 32,767. Okay, so a 16-bit counter range is maximum this value 32,767. If you want to use counter more than this value, then you have to use 32-bit counter because it has range more than 2 billion. It's very high value because billion is very large value, so it has a value more than 2 billion because it had 32-bit operation range. Maximum 32-bit data range is more than 2 billion. Okay, so main difference is 16-bit and 32-bit is range, and you can see the range is here for you, and you can see. And like I will give to one example, in practical example in industrial point of view. One is the Tetra Pak machine. It produce milk and juice packet, and it has one machine called A3 machine, and it's one hour production is 24,000 packs per hour. So if we want to count its production of 24 hours, then we have to use 32-bit counter because 16-bit counter cannot count the value more than 1.5 hour of that machine. If you want to count its production of 24 hours, then you have to use 32-bit counter for it. Okay, and now let's come on is operational manual of FX series. You can see the FX series operation manual, and you can see the counter of 16-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 32-bit. 16-bit you can see is a range is 0 to 32,767, and 32-bit range is more than 2 billion in positive way and negative way. It is a bidirectional counter means it has a both range, positive direction and negative direction. And total counter of 60-bit in FX series is 200, 100 this and 100 this, 200 of. And 32-bit counter is maximum value is 35, 20 plus 15. Okay, so now we will use this counter in our software GX2 of Mitsubishi PLC, and C0 is the counter of 16-bit, and 200 C200 is for 32-bit. So we will use here this counter in our software. So let's come on software. This is a GX2 software. Let's create a project type, simple project, and PLC is FX CPU, and PLC type is FX3U, FX3UC. You can use according your own PLC. That time I has the FX3U, so I will select PLC type. And language, there are two options, ladder diagram and SFC. So we will use ladder diagram because it's a very common industrial machines. So click OK. It's depend upon to you. I will select now. And I will take one memory bit M8011. This is a special memory bit, and this is a one clock pulse of 10 millisecond. Now I will take counter of C0. This is a 16-bit counter, and you can see in operation manual its range is 32,767. If I put more than this value, like 32,768, is the more than value of 67. Press OK, but it give the error, unusable device has been designated, because it has a larger value. So we will select 67. This is the maximum value of 16-bit counter, so it will acceptable. Actually this is a decimal value, we have to put K. Okay, you can see this is a value is in range, so it will be acceptable. Okay, if I put larger value like 68 is the more than this value, it is usable range, is over the usable range. So we cannot put this value, we have to put maximum this value. This is our 16-bit counter. Now I will use other one is 32-bit counter. C200 is the 32-bit counter, and you can put the value, any value more than this value, like we put 40,000 value, it will be acceptable because it has very large value, more than 2 billion. So we will compile the program and run the simulator. It's taking some time, and we press OK. When process the end, close the window automatic. So it will be close the window. Okay, and now you can see our PLC in run mode, and this is our this is our clock pulse is a special memory bit, and our both counter is working, but this counter is 16-bit and this counter is 32-bit. So we put any value of K40,000, K50,000, 16, 10 billion, 100 10 million, 100 million. It's depend upon your value, because we have the range. This is the maximum range of the 32-bit. It's a very high range, and it's very important 16-bit and 32-bit counter industrial in point of view. If you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise a question in the comment box. Okay, bye.